fish. I didn't get it on camera, but yeah, it's a nice one. I know what I'm cooking up for lunch. Luna, lossy fish ate. Nia, Luna. Nia. Shushu. Luna, Nia. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you made it to this section of the video, thanks for watching. I've got the ugly little yellow tarp out, give us some shade, and yeah, we just came to the spot that you guys have seen quite a bit. It's that little dam where we usually go and catch fish. And today, me and Luna came out. It's about time I take her on her first little adventure, although she's only 9 weeks now. Before I even set up the tarp or anything, I threw in the line, and almost immediately I pulled out a lunch actually. Yeah, so I pulled out a bass, and it's currently sizzling away, so everything smells like fish. Yeah, it was good. It was nice to actually catch a fish like early on. Last time we were here we caught a catfish, which we also cooked up. So lately, well, actually the last couple of months I haven't been putting out videos regularly. Life's just been too busy and I haven't been able to get out at all, actually. Rarely at the time to get out, and some of the weekends I was working, and yeah, unfortunately life happens and then you can't get out as often as you used to. Luckily January I'm putting in like a week of leave hopefully, and then we'll do like a week up somewhere. We'll either spend a couple of days at the shelter, what used to be the shelter, and I'd like to head into the Volkberg wilderness area for a couple of days as well, and we'll do some day hikes. I just lost my lure after I just had another bite, and I only brought one. So that's it for fishing for today. I'm gonna wait for that bass to finish smoking and maybe fry it a bit, and then we'll have lunch and head out.